Want to log into NFL RedZone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to nfl.com/network. Then you will find the sign in option over here. Go ahead and click on this. Here, go ahead and enter your email address. Then click on the continue option. Now enter your password and then click on the sign in option. NFL RedZone is available through pay television providers and through NFL Plus Premium. If you haven't subscribed to NFL Plus Premium, you can subscribe it. NFL Mobile RedZone is no longer available for purchase. However, existing NFL Mobile RedZone subscribers will maintain access through the end of their current subscription period and can access NFL Mobile RedZone in the NFL Plus section of the NFL app. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.